Hey Drinks and Drippers, welcome back. This is Dad and we're here for another unboxing episode. Specifically, this is the second in of our line of Stitchfix subscription box unboxing for men. Now we did our initial review and you can see that video. Go check our playlist. It's a really good one. I think it's better to watch that one maybe before you watch this. So stop this one, go watch the first one and then come back to this one because I think it'll put it into context. But it won't hurt you if you watch this one first. So like I said, we're going to unbox our second box in our Stitchfix subscription. I want to see, because I haven't seen what's in this box, if they kind of went along with the notes that I requested in my profile. I wanted some jeans. I wanted some something more casual wear. So we'll see if they did what I asked. Who knows? What was interesting, I'll pass along, I had a friend of mine who does Stitch Fix, and not complaining, but he saw a picture of my jeans in my video. He's like, I got those same jeans. So I don't know if a lot of people get the same things. It's not a big deal, but you kind of want it to be unique. Nonetheless, we still like the product. It's very flexible. It's only a $20 commitment up front, and if you buy anything, you get a credit toward it. So the most you're going to lose is 20 bucks, and heck, some places charge you more than that just to ship the clothes. So we're going to unbox this, then we're going to fashion show it, and then I'm going to go on the website, because I didn't do this last time, and I'm going to kind of walk you through how you can easily return what you don't want, make comments, and they're supposed to have this big computer algorithm that takes all that information and picks something in your next box that's best suited for you. So, until further ado, let's hit that intro. All right, here we go. We're gonna open it up. Okay, so the box is not as thick as last time, so I'm assuming there's not any shoes. Okay, here's the envelope, which has, well, hello there, probably a very personal note from my stylist. Justin, welcome back. I'm so glad you enjoyed your first fix so much. Thank you for the suggestions for your fix. Okay, so I did ask for like some cool like casual stuff in the same vein, and look, it's a bag and it jingles. What could it be? Start off with our accessory first. We've got like a dark brown, pretty cool looking belt there. Definitely need one of these. I don't have a lot of belts, especially ones that are casual. So upon further review, with some different sets of eyeballs, this is a black belt, but nonetheless it's very nice looking, and it seems to will probably go all the way around me, so that's also helpful. So we have a black belt. You see they have these nice wrapped up, so it's like getting a porterhouse steak but not. Okay, ASMR. Okay, here we go. We're gonna start from the top. We've got like a, now I may be wrong about the color again. It looks like a kind of a blue, maybe purple little design on there, but definitely very, very nice. It feels very soft, but definitely think I could wear that with a lot of stuff. Another idea is, I was told by some smart people this could be a party shirt, so I'll have to get invited to some parties. Okay, so next we have, in the last box we had a cool t-shirt, and this is another made by Flag and Anthem, Dry Good Supply. It looks like it's kind of like a teal, like undershirt. So I'm assuming my card that I got is gonna show like somehow to layer that with the other shirt, or maybe not, maybe it's separate. But it's a V-neck shirt, which is very cool. I'm a big fan. There's another t-shirt, which I have known to not have a lot of cool t-shirts. It's kind of like, I have one t-shirt that I got free with the gym, and then undershirts, and that's pretty much it. So we're working on that. And it looks like, actually this is a long sleeve, Topo Designs. I'm not familiar, but I don't really love it because the colorway on it is kind of confusing. Stitchfix, I don't know. Oh, and it's got the lettering on the sleeves. Also, I mean, it's gonna be hot. So like having a long sleeve t-shirt right now is not very helpful. So here's the other like downside to Stitch Fix. If I don't get everything, I have to pay like a crazy premium. So the last box would have been $300, but because I got 25% off, it was like $230 or $40. So this might be a deal breaker, which is a shame because this other stuff might be cool. So the last piece in here is it looks to be a very nice pair of black jeans made by DL 1961, straight fit. Now the other thing is I'm gonna have to try these on because straight fit, it may be fine. Usually straight or slim, can't do skinny or baggy, but these look to be nice. Black jeans. So we are on the Stitch Fix website. As you can see, there's a little area right here that says check your mailbox, your fix has been delivered. And as you've seen, we've already opened the box, we've looked at the clothes, we've done a little fashion show, and I'm going to show you what I picked out. So what you do is you go to checkout here. Now, you got to remember that if you don't pick everything, you don't get to save that 25%. So one of the drawbacks is if you really don't love it, then it's not helpful because you want to save that 25%. Otherwise, it feels like it's almost overpriced. But nonetheless, let's carry on. So here we have the long sleeve t-shirt. I got to be honest with you, I'm not feeling the t-shirt. It's a long sleeve t-shirt. It looks all right, but I just didn't love the colorway, the way it, I don't know if it'll match anything. Plus, I live outside of DC. It's already getting warm. I won't be able to wear this but for a couple of nights. So unfortunately, we're going to return here. The size is probably just right. Style, just okay. Fit, just okay. And then look, it's got any of these specific issues. I didn't really have any problems with that. The quality is fine. Price, I mean, if it was a discount, I would probably say it's a little too high. And I'm going to put in here, didn't love the colorway. So then we've got this t-shirt, which actually I thought looked pretty good. But to be honest, I think there's some places that have some t-shirts on sale right now. And so I don't want to spend like $25 on the t-shirt. And since I'm not going to buy everything, I'm not getting the 20% off overall. If I was, I'd probably just go ahead and buy the t-shirt. But we're just going to put return here. Actually, it fit really good. Love the style. Love the fit. Great. Just right. Don't need this right now. Okay. Now the belt, which I originally thought was brown, but look, that's clearly black, was really nice and chunky. I liked it. Again, if it was 20% off, I would get it. I think probably for a leather belt, $58, but you can get like a pair of shoes for that. I'm not going to keep it since I'm not buying the whole box. So we're going to put return here. The size is just right. Yep. Actually love the style. Love this. Looks like good quality. I'd say the price is a little too high. I'm going to put price too high considering not getting 20% off whole box. Okay. Now, we're getting to like my favorite, which is this shirt. And I show this to my friends and tell me in the comments below if you agree, but everybody really liked that shirt. So I'm totally going to keep it. And they made a good point and I think we should see this at the end. I've already given them $20. So really, I'm only out of pocket. You'll see another, $48 because I'm just giving them $20 back, and I really like the shirt. And what's cool here is look at all these different ways you can wear it. I could actually wear it with a jacket that would look sharp. We got a zip up, looks really nice. So we're gonna say it's just right. Love it, great, just right, versatile pick. Thanks. Now the jeans. Now jeans are not easy. So I think the pants are going to be a challenge until I get right. And plus, it's not their fault. I've kind of gone up and down in weight like we all do. So I'm probably more like a 33, and I really do need a skinny. This straight leg, although you couldn't really see it in the video, was way too baggy. So we're going to return that. I've heard for good denim jeans, $125 wouldn't be a bad deal, especially if I got the 20% off. They were too big. Hate it. Waist too loose. Thighs too loose. Length too long. Quality was good. I think the price was fine. I think I need skinny cut jeans, probably a 33 waist, and if you can, a 31-inch inseam. Can you do that? Okay. All right, so overall, here's our rating. Did the 6 feel personalized to you? I'd say middle. I'd say middle. I think I do have some closet needs, yeah. I am looking forward to another one. I'd like to try a new style list. Okay, let's keep the belts because I need a good belt. Okay, so let's review our order. And so you can see keeping 68 in there. That's gone, that's gone, that's gone, that's gone. Then there's the subtotal tax. So we get the credit that I already paid. You pay that on the front end. And so $52. I like the shirt. It fits well. It's going to be flexible. We'll submit the order. Processing your checkout. And we may stop it here if it has my info on the next page. I don't know. All right, guys, welcome back. We just got off the website. You can see what I decided to keep or not keep. Super easy, super simple. We're a big fan of Stitchfix, so we're going to keep doing these videos. If you'd like to see it done a different way, just leave some comments below. Until the next episode, make sure you like, subscribe, ring that bell. Drinks and drips. Peace.